Worms, it's like the worms. Worms eat everything. Everything. And eat so much that he can eat to himself. Capital come capital y capital se come a sí mismo. Like, and it's never ending. So even that is the worst that can happen. They are so clever, and those publicists, they are the worst. I don't know if there is publicists. They are the most dangerous people. They are dangerous. I don't like publicists. Publicists, they are the worst because at the end they can take all those phrases, como you say, resistencia, and put in a fucking Ana resistencia, Heineken resistencia. And he saying, that's what I'm saying. And even like, oh, ¿cómo se whole food? Like this, that is for people that can buy it. Because it's not in the ghetto. And they can have all this elitist good food. Why is not in the ghetto? Why don't you make like with low price? Why the spa and the yoga is for people with money. So, good life, vida digna, is for everybody. But the system is so clever that they can have, that's what I'm saying. I don't like publicists and I don't like progressive people. They are dangerous. So dangerous. No, I'm really thinking. Because they really can eat anything and make them like, oh, we want also free education. But see la letra chica, you know? And also, for example, I've got a kid I will tell you very quickly, I've got a kid that is in a school and all those parents super progressive. Like, well, we are going to learn to our kid to recycle. Of course, I love that my kid learn how to recycle. But this system like made that, who was recycling? Indigenous, it was not the system. Why are you inventing this? Like, you don't invent that, but no, recycle, green, blah, 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 vegan, blah, blah, blah. And so I was in this meeting with those parents and I said, this is interesting because our kid can have deep reflection about life. Kids are amazing. You just need to open those doors like to go, have debate. Don't be agree with me, but have an opinion, you know. And so we arrived to a point in this meeting with all these progressive parents, gente de izquierda, supuestamente. And then we arrive and say like, okay, I'm agreeing with this. Let's have a class of recycle for our kid. But why we don't make a class to teach them who is the enemy in this? Who is the person that is storing the water? Who is the person that is putting the fucking hidroelectrica and blah, blah, blah. And like, because como everybody works for them. In some sense. And that is the problem of all this contradiction, like the enemy como is enemy against dignity. If we want to see it, you got to go deep in there. And sometimes even ourselves we exposure to that, like even with our work. But I don't have an answer because I live with that contradiction I was 4 times nominated for the Grammys and I went to the Grammys and guess what? It was the worst stuff where I could go. Like I was standing up and this nothing got to do with music. It's about big boobies and all those people that I think that are super nice and where is the music in here? So stupid that people can be put like that and turn around to see how well they're dressing and perhaps with a diamond that take a poor kid in Africa. Like, it's so crazy. Where is the art in this? El arte rupturista. There is no. So I'm in that same position, like where I'm trying to deal with that step by step and equivocándome all the time with my own mistake with it also. I'm learning, like, because the violence is from everywhere, I think. We arrived to a moment that, sí, lo siento, no tengo... But you know what? I'm very pessimist in theory, but I'm very optimist in action. Need the stuff that you say, like, when you see those movements in Latin America making stuff, like I say, we still got flame on. When I went to Arizona and this puente, like I say, we still got here in Babylonia, in the middle of the enemy. You got this kind of resistance, like, see, that makes sense to continue to fight, come and not stay like sleeping. But I think it's a fight from every day and day by day, interminable. But see, no, I don't have an answer. I'm so sorry.